Hi. That's me. That's my friend Jeremy. This is the IT place we hang out at. Uh, we have a C band here. Oops, that's the dish over there. And then I could run my practicals here. This is the Equa Theological Seminary computer lab located in Kaguru. It's a nice place. Uh, it's actually a nice place. Yeah, I want to show you some mountains around, but most especially